I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes easy and fast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother. Now let's create that perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing leads to tough pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve them warm right off the griddle for the best experience. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, try adding chocolate chips or sliced bananas directly into the batter before cooking. Enjoy your quick and easy breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.